Next up, the M13B. This you'll find on Vondel. First of all, you'll want to head to the far east here in G5 as we need a rebreather. You can find one in a sunken house right here. So once we head across here, we'll head into the water and you'll find this sunken little house here. If we swim down and into it, you should find a rebreather hiding inside right in the center here. We'll take this and we'll swim out and across, following west here, and we'll head towards this section here, right next to the police station. You will need a rebreather in order to get this gun, so keep that in mind. That's why we picked it up first. So heading across and into this water here, once again just to the west of the police station, we'll swim across, and by this big building here in the water, you should find this little entrance. You need the rebreather equipped. When you hit the button to activate it, it'll appear in your hands, and you can simply hold down the fire button in order to take a breath and replenish your air. So we'll simply head in here, we'll activate our rebreather. In order to pull it out, we'll take the first left, then swim across until we can take a right. Just make sure you take breaths as such. So we took the first left, took the first right, then we'll simply follow this narrow passageway all the way to the very end where we should find a ladder. So with just one simple breath, we can make it into this section here. Now simply head upstairs, and in this next section here, you'll find a little bit of loot, which is pretty nice to have. And inside this kitchen area here, a fallen down table, and right behind it, the M13B. Sweet. In order to get out of here, you can simply open the door over here, and you're in the street. Pretty easy. Anyways, that's really about it for this super quick guide. So thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.